Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Farah Adibah binti Ishak. Today, for my presentation, I would like to share with you the outcome of our research, issues and challenges in digital dining experience in restaurant industry. So please stay tuned to my presentation. Now, this is my presentation outline. Okay, I will start with introduction, the literature review, methodology, results, and the conclusion. So, start with the introduction. The world has undergone an technological revolution that transformed the way we live and work. Some view this reform as the beginning of a new era of change in growth and opportunity. DIR 4.0 is considered to be the overall computerization, robotization, and the formation of smart networks. Okay, now the dining landscape is changing, and the food service industry is not left out in this current revolution. The digital revolution has stirred up the restaurant industry in all sorts of ways, first with the on-the-go ordering apps and digital dining technologies that enhance the dining experience. Digital was recommended to improve the efficiency of the restaurant by controlling the traffic flow of the orders, generating billing data, minimizing waiting time for customers, improving operational expertise, and minimizing error margins of the restaurants. So some of the technologies being used are the PDA, the multi-touch table ordering, self-kiosk ordering, and vending machines. As the industry continues to grow strongly, numerous leading quick service restaurants, or the QSR, are undergoing digital transformation and offering digital dining experiences that go beyond conventional dining to sustain and gain greater market share. The QSR industry is highly expert in embracing prompt change and innovation to fulfill the customer needs in order to improve the speed and ease of checkout in their outlets. Okay, so thus the technology allows quick service companies to produce food quicker and cheaper by reducing the roles of employee. Okay, in QSR, the digital display and network ordering system are replacing the physical display, which includes various types of display devices such as digital signage, touch screen, PDA system, wireless LAN, and self-ordering kiosks toward enhancing the dining experience in their establishments. The introduction of the SOK, or self-ordering kiosks, in the food service industry provides a better financial measures, customer loyalty, and employee feedback as primary performance indicator for technological progress. SOK has become an interesting topic to study and worth researching whether Malaysia has accepted SOK and whether the role of SOK was for improving the customer experience, but also become one of the selling points to attract customers to the business and increase sales. It will also be interesting to see Malaysians perceive SOK as the supportive role of QSR environment. A list of researchers has over self-ordering kiosks has been conducted previously, but most of them are conducted outside Malaysia. In Malaysia, not much of the research has been carried out to examine the issues and challenges in self-ordering kiosk implementation in the QSR. Also, past study focusing on factors influencing customer perceptiveness, such as the customer readiness and acceptance of kiosks at QSR, as well as the customer satisfaction. But limited study has been done in discovering these issues, especially regarding the management perspective on the digital dining implementation in Malaysia. So from the problem statement, it leads us to the research question. First, which is what are the internal issues of self-ordering kiosks faced by the managerial team of QSR? This turns to the objective 1, which is to explore the internal issues in applying the self-ordering kiosks in QSR. Next, it leads us to the research question 2, which is what are the external challenges faced by the persisting self-ordering kiosks in quick service restaurants. Okay, and this is lead to the objective 2, which is to identify the external challenges in persisting self-ordering kiosks in QSR. Okay, so for the literature, these are the main literatures which emphasizing the use of SSK or digital in the restaurant industry. Okay, the significance of the study are for the theoretical part, it aids to fulfill the gap of studies in exposing management problems of digital dining experience. Practically, it hopes to help the food service managers in planning the business strategy to improve the digital dining experience, which utilize the self-ordering kiosks in the food industry and facilitate the existing restaurant to improve their service in offering digital dining experience to the customers. For the methodology, this research applies the qualitative approach, which is the phenomenological research. We use the purposive sampling, which is the sample criteria are the QSR around the Klang Valley area, which implemented the self-ordering kiosk, and the informants are from the supervisors, managers, or crew that in charge for the SOK of the restaurants. Okay, so we are using the in-depth interview, and for the data collection analysis, the steps are we record the interview, okay, and then we transcribe the data. Then we open coding the true thematic analysis, and followed by the theming by generating the codes and confirming theme with the experts. For the results and discussion, so basically these are what we have gathered, okay, from the RGM, from the CHEL and crew across the QSR in Klang Valley area, and we have went to the dual point system restaurant and the restaurant that offering the SOK, which around 2 to 3 years, and most of the participants are working for 4 months to 6 years. From the results, okay, we can say that the internal issues, okay, found to be in the staffing, whereby participants informed that there are insufficient of SOK's coach, and there are slow table service because there are reducing in the staff. Okay, another internal issues that mingle around the operations are the restaurant space and size, whereby the existing of SOK or the kiosk have made that the restaurant turn into crowded place where customers are queuing up, okay, to do the ordering. For the external challenges, where the participants find out that the customer acceptance are one of the issues here, whereby most of the customers find that the SOK are difficult to use, it's complex, it's confusing, it's time consuming, and they are not familiar with that system. Okay, and another external challenges that beyond the restaurant knowledge or control is that the internet connection, okay, and then sometimes the system are jammed, okay, and then the cashless system that have to be regularly updated. As a conclusion, we can say that the objective is achieved, whereby we wanted to see the internal issues and external challenges faced by the implementation of SOK in QSR. Okay, and then this is hoped to be beneficial to the restaurant owners in planning for their business strategy. Okay, so for the limitation, there are certainly in the time constraint, and we got low response and difficult to reach informants, and of course in this the COVID-19 issues or situation, it is difficult for us to approach the informants. Okay, for the recommendation, we would like to suggest for the research to be undergo to the other segment of the restaurant industry and in the different geographical location. Okay, with that, I end my presentation and thank you very much.